Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it. We're gonna be talking about none other than Copi, Cornucopias. Look at this. Look at that, beautiful chart. So we've got Copi at 7.5 cents, roughly. We're up 45% in the past 24 hours. I believe a 5 to 6x from the lows, really. So it's nice to see, right? I've been picking up Copi since a penny. Started picking up Copi about a year ago. So that's been really cool to see. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go over the price. I'm going to share with you a little bit of where I'm at strategically. Comment down below, how many Copi tokens do you have? Do you have a little bit? Do you have a lot? Someone commented that they have like 450,000. I'm sure some of you have millions of tokens. You're going to be a millionaire, probably just because of this. And it sounds weird, but it could be. So in this video, I'm not telling you to pick up Copi, just giving you a little lowdown, a little update. So that is definitely cool to see. So also in the news, we've got, this has been going on for a while, but the Copi cafes have been doing good, and those are starting to reach more the Neo Tokyo community. So more people on Twitter, especially with the whole Alex Becker, the whole metaverse gaming sector as a whole, because we all know it's going to do well. Crypto gaming is it's simple to understand, right? And when it comes to Copi, I've been saying this, there is not one game that looks as good as Cornucopias. It's just the way it is. We'll even go on the website here in a bit. But these are great. So check out Rob and Josh. These are the co-founders, and they do these wonderful YouTube videos, and it should be under here. So definitely check that out. So if you go here, check out what is called the Copi Cafes. So I'm not going to play that, but I highly recommend you check that out. So as a whole, crypto is starting to boom a little bit, starting to go up, right? So we have Bitcoin at 39,409. Cardano's still not at 40 cents yet. Been waiting. But the thing with Copi is that you can pick it up on different exchanges now. So even if you go to my channel, I did a video, right? I did 3 in particular. How to buy Copi for if you have ADA, so ADA to Copi. How to buy Copi, BNB Copi on PancakeSwap. How to buy Copi if you are an ETH holder, Uniswap, and I believe PancakeSwap as well. And we do go over Dex Hunter there. And check out this video. Check out this video because I predicted a couple things that just happened. So it's kind of nice to see. So even if you go on the channel, type in Copi, and you'll see all these videos. Like I have a video on Copi, 9 months ago? I own 50,000 Copi. Well, now I have over 140,000 Copi. Actually, I'm over 150,000 because I have other wallets. The first video I did on Copi was 11 months ago. Look at me. I look scattered. So I did a video 11 months ago when I first started the channel, how to buy Copi. So that's definitely really cool to see. So if we go to MinSwap, this is a great place where you can buy Copi. And by the way, I think Copi, before we get into that, I do believe that Copi, in terms of price prediction, is going to go to an 800 billion market cap. That's pretty conservatively. So probably an 800 to a billion market cap. And that's not a lot because if you look at other crypto gaming projects, you look at, Sandbox, which is absolute trash in aesthetics. Let's just be honest. Like you're talking about a game right here, 900 million in market cap. Copi's at like 60. That's stupid. Hey Siri, what's 900 divided by 60?
900 divided by 60 is...
Hey Siri, what's 900 divided by 60? 15. 15x minimum. So I knew it was somewhere between 15, 20x. But that's what we're looking at, right? And I know I'm going to get the comments. I always do that. This guy can't even divide 15 by 900. I can't. I'm a moose. Guys, comment down below if you would have got that. I need help. I need help, all right? I need a little bit of assistance. Give me a break. I'm going to get trashed. One time I asked Siri for like, what's 20 divided by like 10 or something, like something ridiculous. I don't even know what it is. So anyways, let's get back on track here. So MinSwap, I want to share with you a couple trades I made and kind of my mindset going into the week. So if we go ADA to Copi here, let's go, sorry, Copi to ADA. Right now I'm holding 147,000 Copi on this wallet. This is my biggest wallet for Copi. So it's about 11,000 now. I also made a terrible trade. I'm going to have to share that with you guys later. I have to be honest. So anyways, if we take a look here, if we go to, and I'll zoom in, this was, let's zoom in a little bit better here. See, I don't even know how to do this anymore. This is crazy. Let's go to the 1 hour or 2 hour. There we go. So here we go. In November, on November 27th, is that accurate? Yeah. So roughly November 27th of this year, not that long ago, I picked up 27,465 Copi. So that's 27,465. And I paid 3K ADA. Now it would cost you 5,200 ADA. And then November 28th, so the next day, I bought 5,000 ADA worth. So if we go here, 5,000 ADA worth at the time. So at the time, it wouldn't have gotten you that much. So that's cool to see. In my best trade, I did this yesterday, like during the day or the day before. I got 7,000 ADA worth. And yeah, I did not get that much. So right now, 7,000 ADA will only get you 35,000 Copi. I got 52,000. So that was a monster trade for me in that regard. So getting into Copi, just doing it over time, there's still time. Because even though the charts look like, hey, we're up a lot, we're at a 60 million cap. Guys, this is nothing. This is a project, a metaverse game that is not chain agnostic. Okay, so this project you can pick up on BNB, on Ethereum, on Cardano. It's probably going to be on others. So if you take a look here and you go under contracts, and I go through how to buy Copi in these videos. So go to the channel, type in Copi, or just go to the recent videos, scroll down, ETH Copi, BNB Copi, ADA Copi. I did these videos for anyone that wants to learn how to buy some Copi. Not telling you to get any, but that's how you do it. So we're just pumping. We're pumping like it's Arnold back in his prime, baby. And it feels good, right? I'm not going to say what it feels like, but it feels good. So that's good. So if I go here, and let's say you want to pick up 10,000 Copi. It's going to be like, it's expensive. So even if you want 1,000 Copi, it's 75 bucks. It used to be very, very cheap. So that's kind of the lowdown on Copi. You know, the racing game's looking good. I can't really play much footage. I should talk to the team. But everything's looking good. We've been following on this channel Copi for a long time. And this is just the beginning. So like you guys saw with the math I did, a 16x is definitely what I see. So 16 times 74, let's say 8 cents. Let's say we get to 8 cents by tonight. Yeah, that's going to be good. We're going to be at like $1. I think we're going to be at $1, and that's probably when I'm looking to sell a little bit. I'm not sure. But comment down below. What do you guys think? Where's Copi going? Did the moose get loose enough? I don't know. I got to share my trades with you guys more often. So this is where we're at. I really want Cardano to just go through this resistance. It has not reached 40 cents yet. Unbelievable. It's like it's scared. It's scared. It's okay. It's okay, Cardano. Let's go. So 1 year, yeah, like major resistance. But it comes down to Bitcoin. It comes down to liquidity going into Bitcoin, ETH, trickling down. But you know, it's just the way it goes. So with that being said, guys, that's all we really got. You know, we got the Loose Moose NFT drop coming. So check out that link in the link tree, December 21st at 5 p.m. Waiting for it to hit the calendars. It should. I also did a Dega rewards update. So if you guys want to see how many Dega I got, and I'd like to know how many Dega you got. Also, put down how many Copi do you have? Do you have more than the Moose? The Moose has 147,000. Between all my wallets, I'm at about 150,000. Let's just say that. I do have more, but let's just say I'm at 150. Okay. So my goal is, I mean, it sounded crazy, but I'm like, I'd like to make 100 grand in Copi, and it's starting to play out, and it, I don't know, it doesn't really feel like much. I don't know. Maybe the Moose needs more. Moose needs more than that. So that's what we got there. Pick up a Tangem. So we have links for you guys. Save up to 25% off on a Trezor or a Ledger or a Tangem. We have links for you. Tangem's been nice. It's been my go-to kind of like everyday carry. So this thing's been a beast. So this is what it looks like. Tangem. I did a few videos on it. Also have a Ledger and, Trezor. So Trezor Model T is great for connecting to dApps, storing a lot of your assets. And I did videos on it. So check it out, guys. Like Tangem, I give you a 1 week review. Tangem, I did a tutorial how to set up, unboxing. We got tons of content coming. So if you guys keep commenting, I'm making like, dude, the Moose making like $2-3 a day on YouTube now. Minimum. I think I had a day where I made like $10. I'm like, what did I even do? Like, I didn't even take off my shirt. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one.